Here's something we all forget. Our computers run our entire day, but we don't think twice about them until something breaks. One minute everything is fine, and the next your screen freezes, your programs crash, or your PC won't even turn on. Suddenly, your whole day hits a wall. That's when TN Computer Medics steps in. If you're in Tullahoma and your computer is slowing down, overheating, glitching, or completely refusing to cooperate, we get it fixed fast. No confusing tech talk, no unnecessary upsells, just real solutions from people who know what they're doing. We repair cracked screens, dead power supplies, failing hard drives, malware issues, and all those random problems that seem to happen at the worst possible time. And you get the added benefit of working with a trusted local team that treats your device like it matters. So if you need a reliable broken PC fix in Tullahoma, TN, reach out to TN Computer Medics or visit our website. We'll have your computer running smoothly again before you know it.